Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Jira story in Epic. So, first log into your Jira account. Now go to the plus button here on top right corner, where it says plus create, click on it, select your main space and the work type. For example, we're going to stick with task here. You can also choose Epic. So choose the summary of your Epic in the description, sign in the labels of the parent and the team, also the reporter, which is you, and if everything is all right, just click Create. You can also choose to select to add a story, so this is a story. You can add the summary of the story, description, and all the other fields required for as well as the Epic. And you can also choose to add a task. You can add the summary, task, the description, the priority of this task, the parent, the labels, and how to assign the task to. And when you're done, just hit create. That's it, guys. The work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.